I feel stuck. My head is heavy. My mind is full. Too many messages. Too many plans. I can't breathe. I hate this feeling. I'm tired, but I can't rest. I work, I scroll, I read, I reply, but I don't feel alive.
Morning, sis. Wow, you look not okay.
Thanks, Ethan. That helps.
I mean, you look stressed. What's going on?
I don't know. I just feel tired. Tired of screens, tired of messages, tired of everything.
Then stop. Take a break.
A break? I don't even have time for a break.
That's exactly why you need one. Come on, get up. Let's go out. You need fresh air.
No, Ethan. I have work. I have emails. I have plans today.
Then let the plans wait. You are more important than your schedule. I'm serious, Emma. Get dressed. We are going somewhere. Nature trip. Today. No excuses.
Drink. You look like a wilted plant.
Wow. Thank you again.
Hey, I'm helping. Plants need sunlight and water. You need sunlight and air.
And coffee?
Fine, coffee too, but after that we're going out. Fresh air, trees, birds, blue sky. You remember what those look like?
I don't know, Ethan. I'm not in the mood.
That's why you go. You don't need a good mood to start. The good mood will come after.
Okay, I'll go.
Yes, go change. I'll get the keys.
The air is cold, but it feels good.
See? Step 1, breathe. Step 2, enjoy.
Don't push it.
All right, all right. Let's go.
The city feels so loud today.
It's always loud. You're just finally listening.
The air looks clearer here.
That's because we're leaving stress behind.
I hope so. This looks beautiful.
And we just started.
I forgot this feeling. Just space, green, silence.
And birds. And sunlight. And maybe bugs.
Don't start.
Come on. We're here.
The air smells different here.
Fresh, right?
Yes, fresh and clean.
Ready?
Okay, let's walk. The sound, it's so soft. Crunchy, but soft.
Nature ASMR. For free.
You're funny.
And you're finally smiling. That's progress.
Listen, the birds. I never hear them in the city.
Because cars scream louder than birds.
True, but here, everything feels calmer, slower.
That's the point of today. Slow down.
Oh, water. It looks so clear.
Look at the surface. You can see the stones.
The sound is peaceful, like a song.
A small song for a tired brain.
My brain really is tired.
That's okay. Let nature fix it. Step by step.
It feels strange. I don't check my phone. I don't rush. I don't plan. I just walk.
Exactly. No schedule, no pressure. Just us and trees.
The sunlight feels warm on my face.
And the wind feels cool. Perfect combo.
Warm and cool, light and shade, busy and quiet. Life has balance.
Look at you, turning into a philosopher.
Maybe nature makes me think.
Good. Think more, stress less.
My legs are tired, but I don't mind.
That's because your heart is starting to wake up.
My heart?
Yep. It's been sleeping under emails and messages.
That sounds right. Oh, wow.
Nice, right? I found this place last month with some friends.
It looks like a green ocean.
A quiet ocean. No noise. No stress. No traffic.
I can breathe here. For real.
That's what I wanted for you. Fresh space for your mind.
Thank you for dragging me out of the house.
My pleasure. Dragging is my special skill.
I can see that. Oh my, it's beautiful.
The lake is my favorite part.
The water is so still, but alive at the same time.
Sit. Watch. Feel.
You know, in the city, I always try to control everything. My time, my work, my plans. But sitting here, I feel small, in a good way.
Nature reminds you that life is big. Bigger than your stress.
Yes, bigger than my inbox, bigger than my worries.
Exactly.
I like this. I really like this.
Then remember this feeling. When life gets loud again, come back to the trees, the water, the sky.
I will.
We should stay until sunset.
Yes, I want to see it. I want to feel the whole day.
Good. Because sunset here is magic.
Then let's stay. I don't want to rush anymore. The sunset is beautiful. It feels perfect.
Yeah. Quiet, peaceful. Just you and the world. You're thinking again.
I always think. I can't stop.
Then say it. What's inside your head?
I'm tired, Ethan. Really tired. I feel like I'm running every day. Running to be good. Running to be perfect. Running to make everyone happy.
So, stop running.
It's not that easy. I have work, goals, plans. People expect things from me. I can't just stop.
Why not?
Because if I stop, I fall behind. If I rest, I feel guilty. If I slow down, I feel weak. I'm tired of pretending I'm okay. I'm tired of smiling when I don't want to smile. I'm tired of being strong all the time. I can't breathe, Ethan. I just can't.
Good. Say it. Don't hide it. Don't fake it.
I feel lost. Like I'm here, but not really living.
You know what I think? You care too much about being enough for everyone. But you never ask yourself what you want. You work hard. You try. You give. You stand up every day. That's strength, not weakness.
Then why do I feel so empty?
Because you never stop to breathe. You run, but you don't live. You push, but you don't feel. You keep going, but you never let go. Look around. The world is big. Your stress is not. Life is more than screens, goals, and pressure. You deserve space. You deserve slow days. You deserve peace.
I want peace, Ethan. I really want peace.
Then choose it, one day at a time. Start today.
Thank you for dragging me out here.
Anytime. When your brain goes crazy again, call me. I'll drag you again.
I know you will.
Remember this moment. The colors, the wind, the water. This peace is real. Hold it.
I will. I feel lighter.
Good. Keep that. Don't pick up the old weight again.
I'll try. Today, I didn't escape life. I returned to it.
Exactly.
Thank you for walking with us today. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments, Where do you go to find peace? I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay calm, stay kind, and take good care of yourself. Bye for now.